Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update will be going through some new reports recently released in this product to help you better manage your business. So without further ado, let's jump straight to it. First thing you want to do is click on that reports icon in the left hand menu, and you see here I've already actually favorited the new reports. So the new reports are the bills and applied payments, the invoices and received payments, and finally the quotes and progress invoicing summary by customer. So the first one is the bills and applied payments report. You'll find that in the section on what you owe. So you see here, it's right here. So let's click in and jump on this report. So what this report will actually show you is combined what bills you have outstanding and what have been paid. So you see here is this bill has actually been partially paid. All three of these have been partially paid, but if I jump and show you the all dates, you'll see here that there are also shows you bills that you've paid in full. So you're able to quickly check what bills are still outstanding, so you know when you need to pay. Additionally, you can actually go into the gear icon and actually add in the due date. So there you go. And now you know the due date, so you know exactly when you need to pay that bill. Naturally, you can save that report. There you go. And now it's available in your My Customer Reports tab. So the next thing we want to do is go into the invoices and receipt payments. Now you may have seen as we scroll through it, that's in the Who Owes You. You'll find the invoices and receipt payments. Naturally, if you actually did want to favorite this report, you just need to click on that star icon. So let's click in and run this report. So similar to the bills and applied payments, this one will also show you your invoices, which ones have been paid, and how much of it has been paid. So you see here, I've been very lucky that all my invoices have been paid in full. So I have customers that happily pay me in full and on time. And similarly, go into that gear icon, do the show more, and put in the due date. I find putting in the due date is just really helpful to know which customers you need to follow up on for the ones that are overdue. So there you go, that's that one. Now, final report we want to show you today is the progress invoicing one. So quotes and progress invoicing summary. That can be found in the sales and customers section. So you see here it's there. So let's click in and run this report. So what this actually helps you identify is, which quotes have been converted to invoices in full and which ones have been converted partially. So you see here, I've got the one at the top of Chandra's Consulting where I've only invoiced 50%. So I know I can go back in and invoice for the final amount when I've finished the job. You'll see here that the Clement's Cleaners, I haven't actually converted that quote to an invoice yet. Maybe I should follow up with that customer and close that sale. And you'll see here, finally, I've got a couple others where I've invoiced the total amount. So basically, that's what we have for you today. It was sort of 3 quick reports. I know in the past you probably would have to customize a transaction detail report to be able to provide this information. Now you can obviously just run it quickly. We've already built that report for you. Now naturally the bills and applied payments report would only be available in the Essentials and Plus packages, as bills is an available feature in Simple Start, but the other 2 reports are available across all 3 SKUs. Now if you have any questions, as always, leave it down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.